Here's the shingle we tried to fix, fellas. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. I ended up having to go 4 more shingles higher to fix this one shingle. Alright, here's the one, baby, right here. I mean, I can cheat and not put a nail here. I'll get that last nail in a minute. Oop, I heard that sucker crack right there, man, when I sit there and lifted that shingle up. See where that sucker tore right there? When I lifted it up to nail it, it tore right there. So, that sucker there barely lifted it and it tore. Look at it. So what we're trying to say is, man, this roof is basically unrepairable. We tried to take one shingle out. We ended up taking 4 out. And I'll be honest with you, it's tore. You know what I'm saying? The laminate's coming undone. Just by moving the shingle, the laminates are coming undone. I'm gonna go back and glue all this. But, I mean, the next shingle's tore. This shingle's tore. That shingle's tore. So it's just, you know, where do you stop is what we're trying to say. So that's why we're not gonna be able to give this dude a warranty on the repairs on the back. The shingles are never gonna mend back together, and that's the report we're gonna give him. Thank you.